If you are using any USB flash drive, pen drive, SD card, etc., then you will need to format it to FAT32 file system for various reasons. In this video, we are going to show you how to format USB flash drive even larger than 32 GB to FAT32 in Windows 10. So why format FAT32? There are mainly two reasons. Most of the gaming consoles like PS3, Xbox, etc. only support the disks or USB drive formatted to FAT32 file system. FAT32 is widely compatible with various kinds of operating systems like Mac, Linux, or previous versions of Windows. Firstly, we'll show you how to use File Explorer to format USB under 32 GB to FAT32. Press Windows plus E keys to open File Explorer. Right-click on your USB drive and choose Format. Choose FAT32 as the target file system, tick Quick Format, and click Start. That's it. Another useful way to format USB under 32 GB to FAT32 is by using disk management. Right-click this PC in Windows 10 or my computer in Windows 7 and choose Manage. Choose Disk Management under Storage. Right-click on your USB drive and select Format. From the File System drop-down list, choose FAT32 and click OK. Sometimes, we might need to format USB larger than 32 GB to FAT32. Using PowerShell on Windows will make it. Once you are on the home screen of your Windows system, use the shortcut Windows plus X to go to the Start menu. Now, in the menu, look for the Windows PowerShell admin option and click on it to open PowerShell as the admin. Once you are on the PowerShell window, type the command format/fs FAT32H and press Enter to process the command. Once the command is given, your 64 GB USB drive will start formatting to FAT32 system. Wait patiently because it will take a long time to format a drive into FAT32. You should be noted that any formatting will wipe your data stored on USB flash drive. So if you want to recover your lost data after formatting USB to FAT32, we recommend you to take quick action and use TenorShare 4 DDIG to attempt the recovery. After installing 4 DDIG on your PC, connect USB flash drive to your computer. Open TenorShare 4 DDIG and select the USB device on the interface. Click Scan button to start looking for lost files on the USB drive. After the scanning, you can select and preview the files that you want to recover, and then click Recover button to retrieve files. Hopefully these methods can help you format USB to FAT32. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. See you next time.